Good morning, folks. Welcome to Post-Election Friday. Welcome to this video. I'm going to talk about natural gas very quickly. There's not a lot to say. It's probably one of the most boring trades that we've had this week, considering what's been going on. We've had huge moves on Bitcoin and on stocks and bonds and all sorts of things. And so there's a lot to cover. I'm holding a live stream this afternoon, so make sure you click on the link for that, and we'll cover some of those aspects of this market in this rather tumultuous time. But I want to look at natural gas very, very quickly. So we've got a triangle within a triangle. It looks something like this. Let me quickly draw this in for you. Another consolidation triangle. But if we zoom out, you can see this forms part of a bigger triangle picture. Let's go to the day chart. Starting to get a little bit messy, and you'll be able to see my squiggle lines here on the day chart too. So there's the bigger consolidation triangle down here at the support levels around about the $2 to $2.50 level. Here are my expected paths, and we're so far following the green path, squiggling along underneath the top of this triangle. And it's all pretty much gone to sleep since the rollover. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days since the roll, and we've made no progress at all. There's still a danger we could reach down towards the bottom of the broader triangle pattern, but now we've got the smaller triangle. We're at the bottom of that. We need to go back into the 4-hour chart to have a look. So there's the smaller triangle within the bigger one, and there's the 200 period moving average on this 4-hour chart. And we're getting squeezed into that corner. We've got the 50 and the 20 above us. We've got to get through those. But if we follow the green path of sort of muddling around post the election, we could see quite some time before we eventually break out. So it could be a few more days. It's actually not long now until the next rollover, which is on the 26th of November. We roll from the December contract into the January contract. So these rollovers come up much faster than you expect. And before you know it, they're back on you. Let's have a look at the forward stack to see how that looks and go to barchart.com. Let me walk you through this very quickly. Go to barchart.com, get rid of all of the advertising except the cookies. Go to the futures contracts, go to energies, get rid of more adverts. Scroll down to natural gas, click on the first natural gas option for the December contract, and you get into this report. On here, you'll see the seasonal chart. You can see we're well below the seasonal average, and you can also see the COT report. Here you can see the commercials are slightly long. Considering their hedges, they expect the market to go slightly short. Producers, on the other hand, have swung towards the short side, meaning they expect the market to go up from here, and managed money very heavily weighted to the short side, and perhaps that's a very overcrowded trade. Non-commercials massively short, perhaps that's also overcrowded. The swap dealers, the hedgers, massively long, 216 compared to 35. Once again, that seems a little overcrowded, and then a few others. But what I'm interested in is the futures stack. Here's the December contract trading at 2.69. January contract, which we roll over into next, is at 2.95. So we have a 26 cents contango on that one. And so we expect a gap up and maybe a push down thereafter. We are getting closer to $3 though, but notice that the February contract and thereafter starts to drop off. So certainly not looking strong. And remember that the hedges are all weighted to one side. So I'll discuss all of this and more in the upcoming live stream today. We'll talk about gold and stocks and bonds and Forex, that sort of thing. Make sure if you enjoy this content, you're subscribed to the channel. And if you want to join the channel for $1 a month, there's a button below. Take care.
Natgas kings, we trade with grace. It'll make a smile, lights up the place. Market swing, but we hold our base. Double bottom strong, we're in the chase. Click and clack that online race. Sharks go wild, but we own